Hello, metal is useful and resilient, but it can also be beautiful. And we are not just saying that because metal is our livelihood. When you are surrounded by the same thing day in and day out, it is healthy to step back and embrace perspective from another angle. The very wise Confucius once said, everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it. Let's take a step back from the practical side of metal and explore the creative and beautiful side of welding metal art. Countless artists are creating wondrous works of metal art, but we have a particular fondness for scrap metal art. It is a nod to resilience and beauty all wrapped into one. So, we have put together a number of scrap metal welding art projects that have caught our eye. We may not know the artists, but we have gained plenty of inspiration from their creative use of scrap metal. Hopefully, you can take a few minutes out of life's busy schedule and enjoy the beauty of these welding art projects as well. This artist uses insects to inspire his scrap metal art. There is something to be said for creating something natural out of something useful. Each of his scrap metal art pieces, like his larger than life art, is full of tiny, intricate details that invite closer inspection of each stunning detail. Here we have scrap metal in the form of old pieces like bolts and pipes. Who thought leftover metal parts could become welding art to melt your heart? Dog lovers beware, this welding art project may just steal your heart. Welding art projects are not exclusive to decor. Scrap metal art can also be useful. These ideas are an excellent example of the beauty and utility welding art projects can lend any space. How about scrap metal welding art with literal expression? Here you go. Are you feeling inspired to create your own scrap metal art yet? So, as you can see, this particular piece is fabricated from old farm equipment. It takes the adage, one man's trash, another man's treasure, to an awe-inspiring new level. This steel project takes welding metal art to a highly functional level. So, these are popular scrap metal art projects. The most popular scrap metal art projects transforming scrap metals into stunning art with best way metals recycling. Scrap metal doesn't just have to be about recycling and profit. It can also be a source of inspiration for stunning art projects. Artists and DIY enthusiasts alike have found creative ways to repurpose scrap metals, turning them into beautiful and unique works of art. In this video, we will explore some of the most popular scrap metal art projects and how best way metal recycling can inspire your next creative endeavor. So there are metal sculptures, garden art, wall art, metal furniture, accessories, home decor, and many more projects. Scrap metal doesn't scrap metal sculptures are one of the most popular ways to repurpose scrap metals. Artists and hobbyists alike can transform discarded metals such as copper, steel, and aluminium into stunning three-dimensional art pieces. From abstract designs to realistic representations of animals, people, and objects, the possibilities for scrap metal sculptures are endless. Scrap metal can be used to create unique and eye catching garden art that adds character and charm to outdoor spaces. From whimsical wind chimes made from old keys and silverware to rustic garden gates made from repurposed metal pipes, scrap metal can add a touch of creativity to your garden. Scrap metal wall art can be a striking addition to your home or office decor. Old gears, bicycle chains, and other metal parts can be transformed into intricate patterns and designs that make for interesting conversation pieces. Thank you for watching this video. For more amazing videos, please keep visiting this channel. Thanks again.